Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and so good to be here. And today I'll show you my retinol nighttime skincare routine. And I have already done my cleansing routine by using these two products for double cleansing. And now I'll be going with a toner, and for that I'm using one thing mugwort extract. This is very soothing. I like using this toner. So I use retinol twice in a week at night, and I like to use gentle formulations, and I have never used straight, and I'm not planning to use straight anytime soon, and I would recommend you to consult a doctor for using tretinoin because this is so hyped up these days. So now I'm going in with these two essences. One is from Purito, their galactomyces essence. Galactomyces gives me the most glowing skin ever, and I'm mixing this galactomyces essence with Cosrx snail mucin essence. Together they are working really well together. I'm using Cosrx's this advanced snail mucin, but you can use the regular snail mucin as well. The goal of my skincare routine, I mean all these steps, are to be gentle to my skin and to hydrate my skin before I use retinol because it can be a bit drying and potent. And then I'm going in with a moisturizer. I didn't use any serum because the essences I used, those things had actives like niacinamide and all that, and I think the moisturizer would do for this routine. And in a simple moisturizer would do. I'm using moisturizer from the brand Simple. Also you can use ceramide based moisturizers, and next I'm using this retinol from FormulaRX. This is a very gentle retinol. Beginners also can use it. My top 3 retinol would be from Cosrx, but that's really overpriced, but it's very nice. Also from WishCare's retinol is very nice. But if I have to choose from beginners, my top 2 would be FormulaRX and Cosrx, and I'm ending my routine with Squalane. That's all, and don't forget to use sunscreen properly when you use retinol. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you have any questions, then please feel free to ask me in the comments box, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.